Hindi Master Word List Part 3. To learn reading Hindi, all you have to do is practice this one master word list which covers all the alphabets in Hindi. We will be covering the last section of this list in this part of the series. Using this hint sheet, you can pronounce any word in Hindi easily. So let's get started. You have got 10 seconds for each word. The first word is, this word means end. Un plus thunder the th. Notice it's the softer th sound, not the thunder th sound. It makes the word sound as ant. Aw plus nest n makes the sound on. On. Next word. This word means season. Re plus thunder th. We use a softer one, the, and when this the is added with the add-on vowel symbol of u as in book, it makes the sound tu. So the word is pronounced as ritu. Ritu. Next word. This word means I. On plus kite k kh. So we use this forceful sound kh. So the word is pronounced as ankh. Ankh. Next word. This word means a little. Z as in zebra plus R as in red, and when we have the add-on symbol A to R, we get the sound Ra. So this word sound is zara. Zara. Next word. This word means day. The as in this, and when we add the add-on symbol E as in ink to the, it makes the sound di, and then adding the letter N as in nest makes the word sound din. Din. Next word. F as in flower, S as in sun, and when we add the add-on symbol E as in sea to F, it makes the sound fee. So it's fees. The word sound is fees. Next word. This word is a title of respect. Shra plus the add-on symbol E as in sea makes the sound Shri. Shri. Next word. This one means to listen. S as in sun, N as in nest. And when we add the add-on symbol O as in book to S, it makes the sound so. So this word is pronounced as sun. Sun. Next word. This word means far. The as in this, R as in red. And when we use the add-on symbol of oo as in cool to the, it makes the sound do. So the word sound is dur. Dur. Next word. This word means to stop. R as in red. R is the only special character in Hindi which does not follow the add-on symbol rule for O and U. So it's written in a special way like this. O. So it's ru. And then kite ka joins to make the sound ruk. Ruk. Remember, ru and ru do not follow the add-on symbol rule. Next word. This word means upset. As shown in the last word, here we have ru plus tomato t. So the forceful sound t, it joins to make the sound root. Root. Notice that ru and ru do not follow the usual add-on symbol as for other letters. Next word. This word means tree. Pen, p, and the add-on symbol as in say makes the sound pay. The next letter is diamond d, d. It's the retroflex sound, that is, the rolled tongue touches the roof of your mouth while pronouncing. It's not d, it's d. So we pronounce this word as paid. Paid. Next word. This word means leg. P as in pen, R as in red. And when we add the add-on symbol pair as in pair of socks to P, it makes the sound pair. So the word sound is pair. Pair. Next word. This word means color. R as in red, G as in girl. And when we add the un symbol on top of R, it makes the sound run. It's the add-on symbol, so it joins to make the sound run. So the word sound is rang. Rang. Next word. This word means the number 6. Chair, ch, ch. Notice that it's the forceful sound ch. Ch plus AH symbol makes the sound chh, chh. Next word. This word means moon. Chair, chair, this, the. And when we add the add-on symbols ah and an to ch, it makes the sound chan. And then we have the letter the here. So the word sound is chand, chand. Next word. Diamond, lemon, l. And when we add symbol aw to d, it becomes daw. So the pronunciation is doll, doll. Next word. This word means tree. Violin, v and ksh. And when we add the add-on symbol re to v, it makes a sound vri, vri. So the word sound is vriksh, vriksh. Next word. This word means part. A as in up, g as in girl, and ng. Notice that we have a special character add-on symbol, this one, which makes the sound half sound. So if it is ng, we'll just pronounce this as ng. It's a nasal sound. So a, ng, and g makes the sound ang, ang. It's ang. We have reached the end of this video. If you like this video and want more such videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe Hindi Mini Bites.